Alright, so what we're going to do today, we're going to change the parking brake line for this Toyota rav4. So let's do it. So we are inside the vehicle and here's our handbrake. As you can see, there is no tension. There's no tension at all. So possibly the cable is broken. So we're gonna go take a look. Okay, so it looks like this cable is in a rough shape. So maybe we have to replace it. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to remove this SRS or airbag module. Make sure you remove the battery first and wait for a couple seconds or minute before you remove this, so you don't by accident set the airbag off. So just keep that in mind. So here's now the cable. Once you remove the airbag module, so here's the cable, right? So we already removed the passenger side, so all we have to do is just. All right, this is our cable. So let's compare the new one to the old one. So as you can see how smooth the cable is going down compared to the old one. It's completely stuck. This is why we don't have handbrakes, no matter what you do. See? So the looks of it looks like it's a right cable. So let's put this in.